Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the one, the only Zilliqa. Still in it, and it is hanging in there right around the 20 cents level. Very exciting new smart contract play that you guys need to be aware of. We're going to talk about one of the largest platforms available right now on Zilliqa, the Uniswap of Zilliqa that you need to know about. Before we dive into the video, I want you to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel because that'll help us out in the YouTube algorithm so we can keep this awesome content coming your way. We want to keep you up to date with the latest and greatest in the newest coins coming to the top 100 and beyond, hopefully into the top 10. You never know what Zilliqa will do. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of the free money in the chat down below. You can get some free links to crypto.com and Femex. Take advantage of that free money, guys. All right, let's dive in. I want to show you guys a little bit about, first of all, what's happening in the charts for Zilliqa and what DEX do you guys need to know about on Zilliqa. So let's dive in. So as you can see, Zilliqa is still trending. Now it's down 1.06% today, but it is still trending today. So keep an eye on it, guys, because again, it's a low price and it's still got a relatively low market cap compared to some of the top 10 coins. It's floating right now. Let's click in. It's a number 55 coin. Yesterday, it was number 52. I expect it to dive into at least under 50. I could imagine seeing this in the 40s, potentially in the 30s, maybe more, but it's got a lot of momentum. When coins have a lot of momentum, especially like a smart contract play, they can just come up out of nowhere. Terra Luna, Avalanche came up out of nowhere. Zilliqa could be the next Terra Luna for, all I know, but it is very exciting. There's a lot of hype around it, and there's a couple things that you guys need to know. So remember, you can always do a lot of research right here, and you can dive right in, and you can see the website, and you can see the Twitter and the Reddit by clicking into these links. But let's check out the price action of what we got going on for Zilliqa. So as we talked about, it is just flying upward. We're not quite in price discovery mode. We got to get past 24 cents, but we were at right about 20 cents the other day. We have some spikes up to 20 cents the other day, but we're kind of right back down. We're floating around 18 cents. So what do you guys think? Are we going to go to 23 cents and beyond? Are we going to hit this all-time high and go past? Are we going to break through 24, 25 cents, get to $1? Let me know with the chat comment down below what you guys think. But here's what I want to highlight for you guys today, very specifically, something you're going to need to keep an eye on. So when you click into the Zilliqa website and you take a look at all the different tabs here that they got, one important tab on this website that you need to consider after you learn what Zilliqa is about, by checking out my most recent video on Zilliqa, we talk a little bit about it. You can see all the wallets that are available. It shows you how to get it. It talks about staking, mining, and the dApps. Well, I want to explore. There's two ways to find the dApps. I want to explore the dApps. So let's take a little bit of a dive into the dApps. I want to show you guys something here. So they tell you, dApps built on Zilliqa. Again, it's a smart contract play, which means you can build decentralized, that's what a dApp is, decentralized applications on it, which is really, really neat, which means you could have, if you know Uniswap or PancakeSwap or SushiSwap, which are these swap dexes. These are decentralized exchanges. These are dApps built, some of them on Ethereum, some of them on Binance Chain, some of them on other chains. These are popular dApps. Well, we want to see what dApps, what decentralized exchanges are available on Zilliqa, because when I think about a dApp and I think about a smart chain, well, I want to target probably a dApp where there's going to be a lot of money put in. Well, and a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange, something similar to Uniswap, would be a good example of something that would have money flowing into it, because that's a good opportunity for people to go earn liquidity and do a lot of different trading on these decentralized exchanges. So what you can do here is it shows you the Zilliqa ecosystem, which is really, really neat. And they got 30 projects, last updated on January 18th. So maybe they need an update. You can add your project here if you're into that, but you can see all the dApps that are available specific to the Zilliqa blockchain. So I haven't looked into all of these yet, but I do want to highlight for you guys. Like, I can tell you this is a coin. Carbon is a coin. Now, there's multiple carbons, but if you go in here, you got to know that it is a coin. A lot of these are projects, and you can actually invest in these projects, or you could invest in Zilliqa. But, first and foremost, let's say you believe in Zilliqa. Buy Zilliqa. Hold Zilliqa for the long term. Now, if you believe in the Zilliqa ecosystem, then you're going to want to look into the different projects that exist, whether it's the NFTs, the Web3 projects, the DeFi projects, the gaming, the metaverse, the dApps. The dApps kind of include a lot of this stuff, but there's one dApp in particular that I want to highlight for you guys today. So I'm going to click on exchange, and there's only one. There's only one exchange dApp built on Zilliqa so far. So if you're going to pick the winner, well, really, you only got one horse in the race. So something you guys might want to consider keeping an eye on is Zilswap. Zilswap could be a huge project. So I'm going to go back over to CoinMarketCap. Excuse me. I'll go over to CoinMarketCap here. And we'll go back in here. And we're going to look up Zilswap, just like this, because this is how it works, guys. So Zilswap, dive right in. First of all, the first thing you want to look at when you're looking at a small project, because this is a small project, this is a coin 3603. This is the 3,603rd biggest token available. So you got to keep that in consideration. Now, it has a market cap of $26 million, which is very, very low. What does that mean? First of all, that means it's a very high risk play. So you got to keep that in mind. Don't invest something in Zilliqa or Zilswap that is more than you're willing to lose. You're always safer going with the big coins, but if you're looking for more gains and you're not looking for Bitcoin, and if you think Bitcoin's boring, which I'd love to debate you on that, but if you think Bitcoin is boring and you're looking for something with bigger gain potential and that's newer, well, a Zilswap might be something that you're looking for. And of course, you can go and you can look at any of the other different dApps on here, and you can see some of the other dApps on Zilliqa. I mean, look at all these dApps, and we'll go through, and I'm going to point out a few of these. Mintable, which is an NFT marketplace built on Zilliqa. That's a good one too. You got to check that out. So there's going to be some really cool plays here that come up with Zilliqa. But when you look at this, again, you got a $26 million fully diluted market cap. And over the last year, let's look at the price charts. Well, it's taken an absolute dump. I mean, it's come down from $700 all the way down to $25, $29. It's currently sitting at $26.12. So, when you want to buy when there's blood in the streets, okay? So you want to buy when there's blood in the streets, and that's what you want to know. Now, one thing I want to show you guys too is where you can buy something like this. So if you want to buy the Zilswap token, which could potentially one day get to a $1 billion market cap, potentially to a multi-billion-dollar market. Well, that could be a 10x. That could be a 100x from here, potentially. So you want to keep your eye on it. Well, where are you going to buy it? Well, the first place you can go buy it is on Zilswap. You need to be doing some exchanging, but you could go to the Zilswap platform, and you could end up buying the Zilswap token. If you wanted to get this token, you could also go to cex.io. You can go to DEMEX exchange, or you can go to Juby exchange. So these are a couple different options for you. Now, what I want to show you is there's not a lot of information. There's not a lot of liquidity. These are updated recently. These aren't the most trusted exchanges yet, so you always got to keep that in mind. These are high risk plays, guys. You got to keep that in mind. Now, keeping in mind, Zilliqa is currently a very big project. It's number 55. So if you've got confidence in Zilliqa, guys, and you think that the Zilliqa price could go all the way past its all-time high at 24 cents and go all the way to $1, let me know in the chat down below. That's a 5x from here. You put in $1,000, you could turn it into $5,000 if we go to $1, guys. But as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. This is for entertainment purposes only. Make sure you guys are doing your own research, but have some fun out there and do your own investing, do your own research, have some fun, guys. So I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And remember, HODL, DCA, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate y'all.